Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be making some sweet chili chipotle wings in the air fryer. If you're interested in seeing how it's done, then keep on watching. So these are the wings that I will be working with today. I already washed them with lemon and vinegar. Then I am going to go ahead and drizzle some olive oil on it before adding my dry seasoning. Next, I am going to go ahead, use my hands to make sure I rub all that olive oil in it. So these are the seasoning that I will be using today. I am using garlic powder, some Maggi all-purpose seasoning, some Reggae Blend, herb and garlic blend, and some red crushed pepper. I will be showing you in just a few. Next, I am going to go ahead, use my hands to rub that season in. You want to make sure that it is seasoned to perfection. So guys, these are the seasonings that I used earlier. These are from Spice Jamaica. You can get them on the website at spicejamaica.com. This is the Maggi all-purpose seasoning, red crushed pepper, and garlic powder. Next, I am going to go ahead add my wings to the air fryer. It is a non-stick air fryer, so I don't have to add any grease to it. So guys, I am going to let it air fry for 15 minutes on each side. I am going to set it at 350, and this is what it is looking like after the first 15 minutes. I am going to flip it over and give it another 15 minutes. While the wings are in the air fryer, I am going to go ahead and prepare my sauce. That is a sweet honey chipotle sauce, and I am going to add some extra hot sauce in it because I like my food spicy. You don't have to do that, that is optional. So guys, this is how the wings came out after 30 minutes in total. Look at them looking all crispy and nice. I am going to go ahead, place them in a bowl. Then I am going to add my sauce, give it a little shake, and that is it. It is simple, guys. And there you have it, guys. It is delicious. Okay, what are you waiting on to subscribe? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, share this video with a friend. Until next time, bye guys.